Ito? Wait. Wait, birthday.
Okay.
Hey, make a wish first.
Mag-awis. Sana makatapos si Kipa sa pag-aaral niya. And live and save always and good health.
Happy birthday!
Welcome so much. Tara. Tayo.
Ana! Kain na! May buo pa tayo ng manok! Dami po!
Kaya bumili.
20 pieces! Tapos ito, I think 1, 2,
Thank you so much.
6 pieces! Ito dami ito ah! 10 pieces!
Thank you very much.
Baka, 10 pieces yan.
O, yung bigay mo na yung gift mo.
Asa ka?
Thank you.
Read this one. Oh my God! Ad! Bakit ad?
Free shipping pa, araw-araw.
Happy birthday! Say it! Say it!
Happy birthday, Papa Lolo. I love you. Papa Lolo, happy birthday. Papa Lolo, from Keeper and Mama. Thank you so much.